Here. Are you gonna help mommy clean? Here, grab the broom. Sweep. Hurry up, sweep. Clean. Okay, sweep. What are you doing? Clean your ears. Grab one so you can clean your ears. Clean your ears, puppy. Did you grab one? Just one. Just grab one. Put the other ones in there. Yeah, that's enough. Clean your ears. Ah. Okay, go. Bring me the hair. Okay, bring me the hairbrush. Do your hair. A ver. Jalen. Look. No, don't grab mommy's makeup. No, here. Brush your hair. Ah. Say ah. Say I love you. Okay, be careful, puppy. Say I love you. What are you doing? Okay, yeah, you're done. Stop grabbing mommy's makeup.